The EVOLUTION 7405 format from HOLZHER is the complete and uniquely versatile machining center for your workshop. The simple operability of this CNC and the extremely stable design based on a monocoque frame has already proven itself 1,000 times in practice. Thanks to the vertical processing of the workpieces, the 7405 requires less than 5 square meters for the complete processing of panels and other material. The 10.3 kilowatt 14 horsepower power spindle with the HSK mounting and a 6-position tool changer make this CNC a powerful all-rounder for every shop. Due to the maximum tool diameter of 110 millimeters and the possibility to use special angular gears, the applications are practically unlimited. The EVOLUTION gets you ready to implement countless design ideas. The fully equipped drill head comes with every EVOLUTION for line and horizontal drilling in X and Y direction, as well as a grooving saw. Even more versatility and variability can be achieved with the optional XL drill head. Instead of a regular grooving saw, an 8.5mm grooving disc can also be used on the sawing station in the drill head. This makes the processing of furniture components with 8mm back panels with all necessary drillings even faster and more efficient. The format solution creates precision. Once preset, the lower joining dimension is automatically transferred to the in-feed fence of the EVOLUTION 7405 format for processing. Together with high-precision steel rollers on the stable roller conveyors as workpiece supports, an absolutely precise 4-sided milling and formatting of the workpieces is achieved. Panels of up to 3,200 mm in length and 1,200 mm in height, weighing up to 75 kilograms, can be processed with the vertical CNC without additional support for the workpiece. A maximum height of 970 millimeters is available for milling. The fully automatic workpiece thickness adjustment adjusts automatically and without any setup effort to material thicknesses from 8 to 70 millimeters. This makes it easy to machine kitchen worktops, use templates for special shapes, or produce the smallest drawer fronts. The 7405 has an extra small part stop for easy handling of very small workpieces. HOLZHER offers a wide range of different vacuum cups for the EVOLUTION series, and thus perfect solutions for all panel sizes and materials. In addition to the usual wood-based materials, sensitive honeycomb panels are transported just as safely and gently as solid surfaces and composite materials or solid wood panels. The material protecting vacuum cups, in combination with the energy-saving EcoVac system, are ideally positioned in relation to the workpiece, fully automatically and software controlled. The vacuum is activated via the ergonomically mounted mushroom button, and then the machining program is started. The operator is free to choose whether the finished workpiece is returned to the loading station for efficient one-man operation, or whether it is to be produced in throughput. No matter which production process suits you, the result is always the same. Exactly formatted workpieces, perfectly machined on all edges and the surface. A further highlight is the workpiece length measurement via the laser supplied with each EVOLUTION, especially for workpieces that already have edges and are to be drilled on the EVOLUTION. This guarantees an exact position of the connecting and line holes. Fluctuations in the edge thickness are automatically compensated by the software. In order to check the height of the workpiece and compare it with the activated machining program, the EVOLUTION CNC offers an optional laser plausibility check. The workpiece is measured by a fast test run, thus minimizing operator errors and material waste. The Campus software package included in the machine offers a wide range of field-tested macros for easy operation, allowing to quickly generate the necessary machining programs. Via the so-called easy snaps, the operator always sees the reference points from which the program is programmed, an important feature to avoid machining errors and thus scrap. Especially for the vertical evolution models, the option of automatic bridging for cutouts in worktops is also extremely helpful. For very long workpieces, the scene module contained in the software also calculates several clamping situations. For complex machining operations, these clamping scenarios can be influenced very easily using a macro that is supplied. Thanks to the open interface to post-processors, HOLZHER machining centers also offer enormous flexibility in data transfer from leading CAD/CAM programs. As here with the kitchen designed in the cabinet control software, CNC programs, can be transferred to the machining center and processed without detours and further programming effort. Also standard and of growing importance is the professional DXF import of components from CAD software. With suitable layers, the CAD drawing can even be placed directly on the work center and thus virtually on the machine table and then processed immediately. Optionally, the standard process simulation of machining operations can be extended to the BetaSim 3D simulation with material removal, shown here. The equipment variant Connect allows the insertion of pockets and slots for the pieces, the connectors from Lamello. You can mill these as well as other connectors on all four edges, as well as in the X and Y direction in the surface. For this application, HOLZHER offers the Evolution with an additional tool changing station, as well as a newly developed aggregate and the matching programming macro. With the additional door package, door blanks are perfectly milled all around, and the necessary reclamping cycles in the machine are performed fully automatically. 6 tool positions and a maximum tool diameter of 110 mm allow flexible machining of doors with and without rebate. Tool changes are also fully automatic and CNC controlled. The special angular aggregate of the Evolution Connect also offers the possibility of milling pockets for standard and special hinges into door blanks up to 920 mm wide. Even without the Connect option, you can do this by manually turning the door before a second round. After the lock and lever handle holes have been drilled, the lock case milling starts automatically. An angular gear specially developed for the Evolution doors enables the insertion of lock cases of different sizes. Whether you program individual parts in the Campus NC HOPS software or, as shown here in the example of Pallet CAD, transfer the furniture of a complete room from the CAD/CAM system to the warehouse database of the X-Cut module, the clarity of all components of the orders to be produced and the unique simplicity of the software operation is always given. One push of a button is enough to send the workpieces to the machine as jobs sorted by strip width. With the X-Cut package for Evolution, the vertical CNC automatically generates the required workpieces from previously longitudinally cut plate strips. With the X-Cut package, you completely avoid the otherwise necessary cross-sections. The software for the X-Cut mode lists all pending jobs on the machine. This gives the machine operator a perfect overview of all jobs and the required strip material. The machine operator only has to place the plate strip requested by the software and start the respective job. With this processing method, the strips are measured fully automatically, checked for plausibility, cut to length and finished. A second length laser automatically recognizes the end of the panel. If necessary, a remnant piece is produced which the machine operator can then easily remove. The height of the strip material is also optimally utilized and, if necessary, a remnant piece is cut off. Work pieces can of course also be processed as semi-finished products. Panel strips with edge banding are stored temporarily and are finished on the X-Cut machines without any tearing using a special semi-finished product macro. With the optional Easy Label printer, labels with important information such as edge position, component description and commission are generated. Efficient furniture production with the X-Cut package is that easy. The so-called light reflection milling with the pick-to-plate software requires the highest precision for a brilliant result. Even this demanding processing of HPL compact panels for facade and interior construction is no problem for Evolution. The Evolution 7405 format, the flexible machining center from HOLZHER. Contact your HOLZHER sales partner and create freedom and growth perspectives for your business.